Anyway, so we're gonna be doing a role play. Oh my gosh, wait.
Raining.
It's rain. Wait, the power's out. The power's out. The power's out.
Strong to push the doors open.
Alright, anyways, the power's out. Wait, we can't even watch the news because the power's out.
Starts freaking out. Wait, I have my phone.
Yeah, try on your phones. It said tornado watch. Oh my gosh, do you hear the sirens? Oh my gosh, get back inside. Whoa, the wind pulled the door open. Okay, come on. Let's go to the bathroom. It's so dark.
Well, the bathroom has outside walls.
It does. Alright, get in the hallway then.
We need to get in somebody's closet.
Plug back in the phone.
Do you have a closet?
Not in my house. My house isn't even done. That's why I'm living with you.
No one here.
No, I don't have a closet.
In your room.
No, let's just, the hallway's not even an outside wall. The hallway is literally not even outside a wall. So we're safe right here. Hold on.
But there's windows.
There's no windows in the hall.
I'm gonna go look in my room, see if I have a closet.
We don't, the builders in your house didn't even add a closet. I'm sitting down in the hallway. I'm duck and covering.
There's an outside wall right over here.
Over there, yeah, but we're in the hallway, so it doesn't really matter.
No, we need to be inside of a room, bro.
Okay, well, the designers of this house didn't really make it, so. What? I was doing a duck and cover. Oh my gosh. Little brother. Oh my god. Tornado warning. Tornado warning. But everybody, get over here. Get over here in the hallway.
I just, hold on, let me look out the window.
Look out the window. Let me look out the window. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see it.
Oh god, the lightning just hit a tree over there. The tree.
Come on.
Oh no, there's a tornado right next to our house. Hey Robert, did you know we're actually copying somebody else's idea?
No. Anyways, come on.
Somebody actually.
No, we're not.
Yeah, somebody actually did this before.
No, it's a different one. Anyways, we're doing it different. Anyways, so we have. I'm stepping outside. Oh no! Bye, locks the door. I'm just joking. We're doing. Come back. You're crazy. Come back inside. There's a tornado. Come back inside. Bye. Oh my god. Are you crazy? You could have died.
I'm sorry.
Boy.
I'm throwing you out. This tornado.
Don't throw me out in the tornado.
I'm gonna put you out.
Oh. Whoa, lightning just struck. Literally a lightning just struck.
I put you in. I put you outside the room.
Why would you do that?
I'm gonna dance now.
I'm gonna dance. I'm sure.
Dance with my hands.
That's copyright. Anyways.
What's my Roblox hands?
Oh no, why am I in the room with the window? I'm so dumb.
Oh, I just been in that room and I got cuts all over in my head. I got a piece of glass in my head.
The lights don't work because the power's out, so.
And here. There's no outside walls in here.
Literally, we're in the outside wall. There's a wall on the outside. Just get your thing unplugged. Just get in. I don't know where to go if there's a tornado. Your house wasn't really designed for a tornado. Mine was, apparently. My house is still being worked on. Where should we go? I don't know where to go. Wait. Bubba. Pay your bills. We're not talking about them. Pay your bills.
Okay, guys, let's see if the power comes back.
See,
I clicked the wrong button.
Alright, see if the power comes back on. Do you pay him? What the? Boy, why did you do that? No, Bubba, quit. If you do it again, I'm going to scream. Don't do it again.
Look, ready? Look at my screen.
No, Bubba, quit. I watched all the way up here. No. Did you do it? The lights come back on. The lights come back on. The lights come back on.
I'm gonna play basketball in the rain.
In the rain?
Are those tornado sirens?
Wait, is it still raining outside? No, remember the storm's over. You already have some family dinner? Wait, we need our
I'm
family.
bringing my basketball.
Why are you bringing it? Whoa. There's a tree knocked down over there. Do you see that tree over there knocked
How
down?
do I pass it to you?
You can't. I don't think. Why did... Oh. You want to play basketball or something?
Hey,
No, I'm not passing over.
no,
I made it! I made it!
Okay. Okay, wait, I can carry you to get it now.
I made it again. Quit picking me up. Oh. Okay, you can shoot the basketball now if you want. Alright, I'm just gonna film you. I'm just gonna film you. You're playing basketball.
I'm so ready.
I'm gonna film you playing basketball.
Stay still.